Dubai is a place where the impossible becomes ordinary. A city that rose from the desert in just a few decades, it now stands as one of the most visited destinations on the planet. Whether you are chasing luxury, adventure, culture, or simply breathtaking views, Dubai delivers on every front. The sheer scale of what this city has built is enough to leave any traveler speechless. And the best part is that every corner of Dubai holds something worth discovering. From towering skyscrapers to ancient souks, the contrast here is what makes it truly unforgettable. No visit to Dubai is complete without standing at the base of the Burj Khalifa and looking straight up. At over 828 meters tall, it holds the title of the tallest building in the world. Taking the elevator to the observation deck on the 124th floor gives you a panoramic view of the entire city, the desert stretching endlessly in one direction and the Arabian Gulf shimmering in the other. At night, the surrounding Dubai fountain puts on a spectacular water and light show that draws thousands of visitors every single evening. It is the kind of experience that stays with you long after you leave. Stretching out into the Arabian Gulf like a giant palm tree, Palm Jumeirah is one of the most ambitious engineering projects ever completed. This artificial island is home to luxury hotels, private beaches, and world-class restaurants. A ride on the Palm monorail gives you a stunning aerial perspective of the entire island. The Atlantis, the Palm resort, sits at the very tip and is a destination in itself, featuring an enormous water park called Aquaventure and an underwater aquarium known as the Lost Chambers. Walking along the boardwalk at sunset, with the city skyline glowing behind you, is one of those rare travel moments that feels almost cinematic. While modern Dubai dazzles, the older parts of the city carry a completely different kind of magic. Dubai Creek is the historic heart of the city, where traditional wooden boats called abras still ferry passengers across the water just as they did centuries ago. On one side lies Deira, home to the famous gold souk, where you can find an almost overwhelming display of jewelry crafted from gold, silver, and precious stones. On the other side is Burj Dubai, where the spice souk fills the air with the rich aromas of saffron, cardamom, and frankincense. Wandering through these narrow lanes gives you a genuine sense of the trading culture that built this city long before the skyscrapers arrived. Just beyond the city limits, the vast Arabian desert waits with an entirely different kind of beauty. A desert safari is one of the most popular experiences in Dubai, and for very good reason. The adventure typically begins with dune bashing, where skilled drivers take four-wheel drive vehicles over towering sand dunes at exhilarating speeds. After the adrenaline settles, you can try sandboarding, ride a camel, or simply sit and watch the sun melt into the horizon, painting the dunes in shades of orange and gold. As night falls, a traditional Bedouin camp comes alive with live music, local food, and stargazing under one of the clearest desert skies you will ever see. Dubai Mall is not just a shopping destination, it is an experience unlike anything else. Covering over 5 million square feet, it is one of the largest malls in the world and houses everything from an Olympic-sized ice rink to a massive indoor aquarium holding over 33,000 marine animals. Beyond the mall, neighborhoods like Jumeirah Beach Residence and City Walk offer vibrant street life, outdoor dining, and beachfront relaxation. Dubai has a way of constantly surprising you, no matter how many times you visit. Every district tells a different story, and together they form a city that is endlessly layered, endlessly ambitious, and endlessly worth exploring.